Now, I'll explain how to connect your LG Smart TV to a network using a LAN cable. If there is a LAN port near the TV, you can connect your TV directly to the LAN port with a LAN cable. If the LAN port is already connected to a modem, you can connect your TV to the LAN port on the modem. If you are using a router, connect the LAN port in the wall or modem to the WAN port on the router with a LAN cable. Then, use another LAN cable to connect the LAN port on the router to the LAN port on the back of the TV. Now that you have a LAN cable connected to your TV, you can configure the network settings on your TV. Press the Smart Home button on the magic remote control to open the Smart Home. On the My Apps, select Settings. Go to the Network menu and open the Network Connection submenu, and then select Start Connection. Since your TV connects to the Internet automatically, if you start a connection in a wired network environment, your TV should automatically connect to the network. After your TV successfully establishes a network connection, select the Complete button. Now, you're ready to use the online functions of your TV. When your TV is connected to a network, the network status appears at the top of the Smart Home. If you see the disconnection icon, check the status of your network connection. Your TV also allows you to manually set up your connection to the wired network. This allows you to set up a fixed IP address or private DNS when connecting to the network. To manually set up your network connection, connect to the network and select the Other Network list. Select the Manual Setup option and then select Wired. Select Manual Input to manually enter network information, such as the IP address, and then select the OK to establish the connection.